The importance of cleaning the grinder, it has to be done regularly. Grinders get a lot of buildup. The coffees can release a lot of oils, which can build up into the grinders, onto the burrs, and this can have a detrimental effect on the flavor of the coffee. First things you need to do is grind off all the coffee that's in the chamber. So we close the hopper and grind off. Once that's through, then really important, we need to switch the grinder off before we start taking it to bits. So we can take out the chute from the grinder here. Literally just pull it out. Let's see how the grind comes out. We want it nice and fluffy. We want no boulders, no clumps. And this is good news. That's exactly how we want to see our grinds come out of a freshly cleaned grinder. It's absolutely perfect.